Okay, today we're going to be putting the spacers on all four wheels and torquing them to the rotors, and then putting the tires and rims back on. The front and the rear has not been done yet, but we will. I've checked out the rotor, the pads, everything in the back. It looks good. Same thing on this side right here. We still have the interior smelling of smoke. So yeah, there's that. Anyway, we will go from there. So looking at the instructions, it doesn't say what to torque them down to. It just says to check all the lug nuts in the adapter in the first 50 to 100 miles. They may loose after a long time running. Make sure to recheck them every 3,000 to 5,000 miles and tight and screw tight. Okay. I don't know what to torque them down to, so I'm just going to make sure that they're tightened down and check what I can put them at and go from there. So here is where I found my answer. And that's what I'm going to use to tighten down these bolts on these spacers and then the rims. And last but not least, done. Mounting these spacers went really easy. They went right on. They matched the bolt pattern perfectly to what I had. So I was able to just mount them directly onto the rotors. This one's not going on that easy, so I'm going to see what's up with it here. There we go. Whoop. Yeah. Wrong direction. Cool. So that's done. And then we have these. Since we're putting on the wheels, I'm going to put those off to the side, bring this to the other side, and I'll be right back with the wheel. Alright, so these are directional tires on directional rims. I did mark where each tire came from. This is the driver's rear, so we don't need this still on here because we're about to put the tire on. Move nuts over. You can see how the outer of this tire is worn and the center is not worn as much. We will have to look at the alignment for the rear end and other items in the rear end, and make sure we take our lead foot off the gas pedal more often. Using the existing studs. I didn't have to trim the studs off the rotors. They actually sat perfectly on top of the bolt pattern on the rotors, which allowed me to not have to worry about the ends of the studs sticking out. So I didn't have to worry about them damaging the rims, period. These spacers ended up working really well on all four corners of the vehicle, allowing me to have a wider stance or footprint of the car onto the ground. Bang, done. Ugh. And we're that much further out. I'd say that did it a hell of a lot of good. That brought these wide tires out a little bit more, giving us a wider stance all the way around. I can't wait to try it out. So we might have to take the Corvette out and do a test drive with it. I do like the way it looks currently. I remember how it looked, where there was a large gap in between the tire that was in here and the edge of the body. Now I think that gap is going to be closed up, and I think we'll be fine. So yeah, that gap. Let's see, you can see the back there. It's going to line up perfectly inside the wheel well, but be a little bit wider. Thank you very much for watching. I have to continue taking care of the fire that happened in my house and doing the work there. I'm going to do a quick little video of it here in a second. Okay, so demo has happened in my living room. A lot of things have changed since the last time. Of course, all the stuff is gone. They've torn down the drywall to a point in my living room back. They've cut out all of the burnt wood. And going around. Those wires coming in there and going around. So yeah, this is what it looks like now. Wow, that was amazing.